Alright, so guys, this is the before of my muffler. This is with no cats, but there is a muffler. And you're gonna see next that we cut off the muffler, and so it'll be like a before and after thing. I know I didn't really show much of it, but it'll be good enough. So yeah.
Alright. You can tell it's not bad. Sounds pretty good. Alright, so we're in the process of taking off my muffler. This is just gonna be temporarily because I cut off right there. We're just gonna take the whole tailpipe and muffler off. But very soon I'm gonna begin just a piece of pipe and just make a piece of pipe. Main reason is I'll show you there's a big old hole in the muffler that's gotta be fixed. So.
Are you done videotaping?
Alright, so the muffler's out. As you can see, no tailpipe. There it is right there. But we're gonna go ahead and do a startup.
It is.
Golly.
I said it sounds like it's straight pop.
Yes, it is.
There we go.